Hello everyone and welcome to our final ever visit to Cottingley railway station. And to kick things off we see the departure of 185-103, working the 1105 Transpennine Express service from Hull through to Manchester Piccadilly. First up around the corner for Northern is 158-758, working 2I14 from Leeds through to Wigan Wallgate. Whilst coming in the opposite direction is 185-150, working the 1124 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Piccadilly through to Hull. Rounding the corner right behind that is 802-204, working 1P21 for Transpennine Express from Liverpool Lime Street through to Newcastle. Also behind him for Transpennine Express is 185-142, working 5P50 from Manchester Victoria through to Leeds. Whilst coming in the opposite direction, running 17 minutes late, is 802-206, working 9 Mike 29 from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next around the corner for Transpennine Express is 185-131, working 1P68 from Saltburn through to Manchester Airport. Right behind him for Transpennine Express is 185-142, working 5P50 from Leeds through to Manchester Victoria. Next around the corner for Northern is 158-753, working 2I09 from Wigan Wallgate through to Leeds. Next up for Transpennine Express is 185-119 and 185-151, working 1P71 from Manchester Airport to Saltburn. And to take us to our next station, running 6 minutes late, is 185-145, working the 1205 Transpennine Express service from Hull through to Manchester Piccadilly. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.